There's a lot of beans today. I'm also picking up some beans for our dinner, and yeah, there's already a lot of them because I forget to pick some of these for like 2 days already. So I'm going to go and pick up the beans for a while. So I just started, so I just done picking the beans, and then let's go over here. The peas are already dead, so it's no good anymore. So these are the okras that I've been planting. So I'm going to pick some because they're already enough, tender enough to be picked. I need a scissors for this. I'm gonna wait. And then check out these. I just cleaned some of the. So that's another one. There's one in here, and then there's some of them here that has, see the okra blossoms, and then there's one in here. So it's I have 20 okras here, 20 plant, and it's very, they are very it's kind of like dwarf okra. They don't really grow big. It's only like 12 inches tall, but they already have blossom up here. You have already see. So now I'm going to go and check on the on on the that's the potatoes. So we're gonna check on the potatoes and pick some of it. So, because I want the baby potatoes. It's not there. It's like we don't have potatoes yet. There's a stone. No, we're moving. Okay, so there's the, wow, it's already huge. There. So it's ready to pick up. You know. So that's okay. I'm gonna get another one. Wow, this is big. So there's another one here. So we planted this in July. Not July. This early hala. There's another one there. Oh my goodness, this is really big. It's really good. So I already have to. I only get what I want. I don't want to. So there's another one here. So I'm not gonna pick. I only need quite a few. So I'm going to let it dry and then bring it into the house. So tapos na akong mag dig ng, I just done digging some of the potatoes. So now I have to pick some of the okras because they are already good for eating. And the technique of picking okra is you have to pick it while it's tender because they are really good eating. So I've done picking the okras, and I already bring some of the potatoes and tomatoes inside in the house, not inside but near the house. So Cooper is still sleeping, so I'm gonna leave him here, and he, it seems like he's happy. So I'm gonna go and bring the stuff inside the house, the potatoes and the tomatoes. A beautiful dibam. So, and look at this beautiful sky. So beautiful day today again, summer, August. So these are the potatoes. I pick up some only before I got like more than 3, I guess. So that's enough maybe for like, you know, 2 3 days. And then if I need some, I have just to go and get it in the garden. So these are the tomatoes. So this was eaten by the slugs. I know that it's the slugs fault. And then some of the okras, my hands is dirty, so I hope you don't mind. And then beans, and I picked some of the peas because the peas is already dead. And then this one, I'm going to dry it for the seeds, for next year seeds. So I have so save a lot, and there's still a lot of them in there. So copper is still in the garden. And so that's my harvest for today: potatoes, okra, tomatoes, peas, and beans. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoy watching my video and or my vlog, and then see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye.